YouTube, this your boy Mo Mellow. I'm back. Another unboxing, but it's gonna be a different unboxing. I kind of already know what's in the box. As you can see behind me, I have one of my favorite collections, the Son of Mars, Jordan Son of Mars. I just like that style, the way it, that design, little mixture of everything. What they call hybrid shoe. But I got a package in today, so like I said, I already know what's in it. So let's just get into it and see what's in this box. I also got another package. Not sure who it's from, but we'll open it up and see what's in it. And here we go. Let's get into it. Just to let you know, all my packages are real unboxing. I don't tape them up and unbox them again. Just a little footnote. There you have it. Receipt, it's all authentic, it's all real. We only caught real stuff. So, like I said, I already knew what was in the box. You see it, Jordan brand. Jordan. And let's see what we get this time. Whee! Boy, them Sons of Mars is some bad mother. Shut your mouth. Yeah. But just something I picked up, man. Something to just add to the collection, man. Just because we like I said, we like this style. We like the hybrid style. You don't see too many people wearing the hybrid, so it's always good to change up on them, man. So shout out to Eastbay. Shout out to Eastbay for this one. Got it for the low before before Christmas got here. Real Christmas gift to myself. So shout out to Eastbay for this one. And yeah, there you have it, man. Sons of Mars. Yeah, the shoe. Nice bottom. That bottom. It's all about that bottom. But and we already got. Don't need no box. Bam. So there you have it, YouTube. Sons of Mars. 3 different colorways. And by the way, I wear my shoes, so they're not dead. They're not gonna be dead stock for long. So yeah, there you have it, man. And like I said, I got this other package in. I don't know who it's from, but we're gonna find out what's in it. Might be something good. Might be a sponsorship. We'll see. And damn. There you have it. LeBron James. LeBron James talk. So there you have it, man. Appreciate the sponsorship to Nike, man. I know this is straight out of Eastbay, man. Eastbay, I appreciate you, man. Like I said, thanks for the email. Thanks for, understanding my situation on the website. I'm a long-time customer. I always buy from Eastbay because Eastbay is reliable. Shout out to Eastbay. Eastbay. But yeah, appreciate the socks. They're definitely gonna go good with my LeBron James that's dropping tomorrow. So there you have it, YouTube. Sons of Mars, 3 different colorways. Like I said, that's just my style. I like it. Leave a comment if you like the Sons of Mars. Like, subscribe. Mo Mellow, we out.